Facebook users are reporting a bizarre bug that like the video aired in a review or the persistent on this day feature, but the problem however is that it's doing without their knowledge or permission. Some users affected by this report glitch have noticed the issue after updating the latest Facebook app on their iOS or checking the aired in a review feature. Currently, the root cause is still unknown. However, Facebook has said that it's aware of the issue and currently investigating. The new photos did not merely reappear on the timeline, but the posts were marked with the new dates and timestamps, confusing the user as if they had been posted new. Earlier this year, Facebook had mistakenly said that some of its 1.79 billion users were dead. Newzstreet Media Desk.